The Food Service Exchange presents
Slicer maintenance. Periodic lubrication is necessary to properly maintain your slicer. General lubrication with food-grade mineral oil is recommended weekly. Important: never use a vegetable spray or cooking oil to lubricate the slicer. Prior to lubrication, always make sure to fully close the fence, turn off the power, and unplug the machine. First, wipe the carriage slide bars with a clean dry cloth to remove any residue. Then, apply a few drops of mineral oil to the feed grip rod. Slide the grip back and forth a few times to distribute evenly. Also apply a few drops of mineral oil to the adjustment spacer rod. Slide the adjustment spacer back and forth a few times to distribute evenly. Tighten the spacer knob and then loosen the carriage arm knob to remove the carriage. Then slide the carriage arm forward. Carefully turn the unit on its side. Always use caution when lifting heavier models. On some models, it is necessary to remove the feet by turning counterclockwise. If your model has a bottom panel, use a Phillips screwdriver to loosen the screws. Then remove the bottom panel to access the underside of the machine. Apply a few drops of mineral oil to the carriage slide bar. Carefully move the carriage back and forth to distribute the oil. Also apply a few drops of mineral oil to the thickness control slide bar. Turn the thickness control dial back and forth to distribute the oil. On a monthly basis, a few drops of mineral oil should also be applied to the black cam. Turn the thickness control dial back and forth to distribute the oil. Replace the bottom panel, secure it with the screws, and then reattach the feet. Carefully return the slicer to its normal position. Reattach the carriage and tighten the knob. The unit is now ready for operation. Thanks for watching the Univex slicer training video. If you have any further questions, contact Univex at 800-258-6358, sales@univexcorp.com, or visit us on the web at www.univexcorp.com.